Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy to see you today.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, today's question feels exciting and a little serious too.
Yes, today we ask, what should we do in 2026 to build a better future? Paul, are you ready for a new year?
Hmm. I feel excited, but also nervous. A new year means new chances and new responsibilities.
That's true, I feel the same. Let's talk about it together, step by step.
Charlie, many people say, next year will be my year, but then nothing changes.
Yes, we all say that sometimes. Hope is easy, but action is harder.
Exactly. So how can 2026 be different?
First, I think we should start small. Small habits can change our life.
That's a good point. For example, learning English for 10 minutes every day.
Yes, small steps every day. Also, we should take care of our health.
I agree. Good sleep, simple exercise, and healthy food really matter.
Another important thing is kindness. The world feels very fast and cold sometimes.
That's true. A kind word can change someone's day. Even a smile helps.
We should also learn new skills in 2026. Skills give us confidence and freedom.
I feel the same. Learning never stops. Age does not matter.
And Paul, I think we must stop fearing failure.
Yes, failure is not the end. It is a teacher.
Every mistake shows us what to do better next time.
So, Charlie, if we think simply, 2026 needs three things: action, kindness, and learning.
Beautifully said. We don't need to be perfect. We just need to be consistent.
That's right. One good habit can change your future.
Dear viewers, believe in yourself. Start today, not tomorrow.
Your future is built by the small choices you make every day.
Thank you for learning with us. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment what you learn from this video.